see me. Now that I'm begun to see through myself, when I throw my hands up in the air and said it's not my fault, it wasn't me this time, and yet I know that it's on me. I made the call, I forced your hand, I played to lose. Was it the way that you loved me, or the resolve in your care that gave me license to wonder what else was out there? Love's what I'll blame. Love will pick you up and it'll spin you round, get you through the giddy, and then toss you in the tip of torn or worn out jeans. But I'd be lying if I said I didn't have control and it came out of the blue, and now I'm doomed to. Is it the way that you love me, or the doubt in my mind? It was the wood I piled up under you for your funeral pyre. God, I heard the old me, the smug mother with the big ideas, had love so loosely, but now cracked and broken from the pain he feels. I'm pretty sure I'm getting what I deserve, and I can only pray it's just a learning curve. Oh, I know how this works. Was it the pain and the feeling that explodes in my head by rejecting the love you had for me? Oh, I left me for dead. Oh, I